In this video, we will talk about weld tees, so let's have a closer look. The name of this fitting comes from its resemblance to the letter T. It is a 3-outlet fitting used to make perpendicular connections to a pipe. The two terms used to describe the pipe and its perpendicular connection are header and branch. The main run of pipe is called the header, and the perpendicular line that connects to the header is known as a branch. Take a look at the following figure. It shows two weld tees highlighted here in blue and green. It also shows a pipe header with two branch connections. Among the two highlighted tees, one is known as a straight tee and the other is a reducing tee. On a straight tee, all three outlets are of the same nominal pipe size. A reducing tee has a branch that has a smaller line size than the header. Now, since all pipelines 12-inch and smaller are drawn single line, and therefore the pipe diameters are difficult to distinguish, a branch that is 12-inch and smaller must be identified with a note that defines the header size and the branch size as seen here. In this example, the header size is 14-inch and the branch size is 10-inch. Notice here, the weld tee requires 3 welds be made to install the fitting within the header. Also, pay particular attention to the weld dot that you can see here, which is used to represent the weld on the 12-inch and smaller branch outlet on the reducing tee. Okay, let's now shift our attention to the drawing symbols for the weld tee. Actually, the drawing symbols used to represent the tee are developed from the rotations of the tee into the various orthographic views as seen here. This figure depicts the rotations of the tee into the profile and horizontal projection planes. The next figure shows the drawing symbols derived from the 90-degree rotations of a straight and reducing tee. Remember, a call-out, as seen here, is always needed on the reducing tee to identify the header and branch sizes. The header size is always shown first in the note, then the branch size. Okay, now before drawing or designing the weld tee, 2 dimensions must be determined. The first dimension is required to establish the center to end length of the header portion of the tee, and the second dimension is used to establish the length of the branch portion of the tee. If a straight tee is to be drawn or designed, you can use the following dimensioning chart to find the C dimension of the tee. Here, the C dimension is the center to end measurement for both the header and branch lengths. Therefore, the C dimension must be doubled to find the total length of the fitting. For the sake of demonstration, the appropriate dimension or center to end dimension of a tee welded to an 8-inch nominal pipe size is 7-inch. Now you must double this to find the total length of the fitting, which is in our case 14-inch. Finally, keep in mind this dimensioning chart is also available in the downloadable resource section.